Digital twins are making an incredible impact on the manufacturing industry. By simulating the factory using real-time data from sensors and other IoT technology, manufacturers can iterate faster during the product design process, improve efficiency, forecast potential equipment failures, and even help train new workers in virtual environments. And now, one major toothpaste player is testing new products on digital twins of customers, or virtual people. Colgate revealed the new tactic a few weeks ago during a Reuters Next panel. Next is an annual business summit that draws industry leaders to share ideas that question today to build a better tomorrow. Well, it looks like our better tomorrow will be built upon market research from simulated customers. According to Diana Schildhouse, Colgate's Chief Analytics and Insights Officer, the company built digital twins of customers to speed up the product development process. According to Reuters, these artificial consumers respond and react to prospective new features. Does the machine want whiter teeth? Of course they do! They have a terrible caffeine addiction. As the consumer product goods industry has seen customers buck inflated name brand prices in exchange for generic alternatives, major manufacturers hope to launch new versions of home essentials to win back consumers. Is the artificial alternative the way to win back real pocketbooks? We shall see. Colgate says it will still test product concepts on humans, and what could make a bigger potential impact is a new wrinkle in the toothpaste maker's long-standing relationship with Market Logic software. The partners are developing a new generative AI platform to scrub Colgate's decades of proprietary research and build a model that employees can query to look for deeper insights into consumer trends. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.